Is anyone else officially ready to shake off the winter blues and let some light back in? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading to HomeSense to hunt for the very first signs of spring for 2026. From high-end dupes to those viral quiet luxury finds, I'm looking for pieces that add the perfect cozy texture to our homes. Stick around until the end because I am sharing a few incredible Pottery Barn style finds that saved me over $100. If you love home styling as much as I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community here at Home with Sonja. Let's head inside. As soon as I walked through the doors, it was clear that organizing season is in full swing. They had beautiful variety of storage baskets, perfect for those of us refreshing our spaces this month. But beyond the utility, the store was bursting with life. Are already well stocked for Valentine's Day, Easter, and general spring decor. I saw so many darling bunnies and eggs in every texture and style imaginable. If you're looking to prep your porch or indoor garden, the selection of planters right now is fantastic. I saw everything from organic rattan to heavy stone and sleek ceramic. One piece that truly stopped me in my tracks was this hydrangea arrangement. It was absolutely stunning and so full, but I have to be honest, at $100 it stayed at the store today. The vase section was a dream. If you're looking for high-end dupes, this is your sign to go look. This trip was such a success, but believe it or not, this was just a tiny peek into what I've been finding lately. I have been busy collecting some stunning pieces for a total home refresh, and my next video is going to be a massive full spring 2026 haul. I'll be showing you everything I've curated this season and exactly how I'm styling it all. You definitely don't want to miss it, so if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed and that your notification bell is turned on. That way you'll be the first to know the second the haul goes live. I've noticed few trends emerging for 2026. Globes are making a huge comeback in home styling, and if you're a fan of equestrian or horse girl chic, you are in luck. I keep finding myself drawn back to this gorgeous scallop bowl. I actually just picked up a smaller version elsewhere, but this one is such a beauty.
Hello.
I also spotted this vase. It's a dead ringer for Pottery Barn. For my vintage lovers, keep an eye out on the frame section. They have some lovely smaller vintage style gold frames right now. The candle aisle was giving off such a romantic soft pink vibes, and the linens followed suit. There was a lot of Peter Rabbit themed decor and vintage style pillows. I personally fell in love with these blue and green vintage prints. They feel so fresh for the new season. While I was browsing the kitchen and dining aisle, I spent quite a bit of time in the tray section. They had some really unique pieces this time around, but this heart-shaped tray really stood out to me. It has such a lovely organic feel to it. I'm curious, what do you think of this one? Is it a must-have for your Valentine's or spring setup, or is it a bit too much? Let me know in the comments if you take this home.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright.
And if you're looking for table setting or cute mugs, always check your local Dollarama first. I noticed some very similar floral plates and heart-themed items there for a fraction of the price. I thought this two-piece wall art set was a great deal at $59.99 and very on trend right now.
'Cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're.
And as always, never skip the book section. It's the best place to find coffee table books for much less than you'd pay online.
All I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without
Now let's head back home and see what actually made into my cart. I did decide to grab that white vase I liked. I had a few blue scuff it had few blue scuff marks on it, but because I pointed them out, I managed to get about $8 off. It just goes to show it never hurts to ask. This exact vase at Pottery Barn goes for 179, so I think I did pretty well here. I have it still on my coffee table for now, but I have a vision for this piece. I'm planning on giving it a little makeover to hide those scuffs and elevate the look, so make sure you're subscribed to my DIY channel as the video will be dropping later this week. My favorite find was this rattan bunny. He was only $14.99 compared to $60 version I saw at Pottery Barn. I'm thinking of swapping his bow for something a bit more high-end to match the designer look. Look how lovely he looks right next to the vase. It adds such a cozy, intentional texture to the room. And that's everything I picked up for this mini refresh. I'd love to know which of these finds was your favorite. Are you loving the blue vintage prints, or are you more into classic Easter bunny decor? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the shop with me, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in a few days over on my DIY channel for the vase transformation. Thanks for spending some of your day at home with Sonja, and bye for now.